Good morning all. Today we the students of class 6 are performing a skit on discipline. So here the story goes like. The alarm clock rings and a young boy feels lethargic. He rubs his eyes and turns off the alarm clock and falls back to sleep. After half an hour, the alarm clock rings again. But he closes his eyes again. After another half an hour, the alarm clock rings again. This time, the boy jumps out of bed. He quickly brushes his teeth, wears his uniform, and has his breakfast in a hurry, and takes his bag and leaves home in a hurry. But unfortunately, he misses the school bus. He reaches school very late. The class teacher scolds him for unpolished shoes and getting late.
Why are you late? Why your shoes are polished? Show me your books. Stand up. That's what I'm looking for.
Now just have a look of the flip side of the story. The alarm clock rings and the boy wakes up at time and he gets ready for school. He checks his timetable and keeps book accordingly, and he has his breakfast and packs his tiffin and catches the school bus on time and reaches school at proper time. Now, the moral of this short skit is we should be disciplined and punctual in our life. Punctuality means being on time, which ensures smooth schedules. Discipline means sticking to a plan or rules which help us achieve goals and maintain order in our life. Together they lead us to success. Hopefully you have liked